What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat or fix voice chat if it's not working on Fortnite. This works for PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or any other platform that you might be on. A common issue most people face with Fortnite's voice chat is having the wrong input set for their microphone. To fix this, head over to Settings, then go to Communication. Here, you want to look for voice chat input device. As you can see, my input device is set to default, which is usually the case for most players if they haven't manually selected a specific device. I highly recommend setting this to the microphone you're actually using. For example, on my setup, I can see that the Scarlett Solo USB is connected to my computer, which is the microphone that I'm using, so I can simply select it. If you're on PS5 or Xbox, you'll also see this option. However, if you don't, you can leave it on default and the game will automatically use your controller's microphone as the input method. Once this is done, there's one more setting that you need to check to make sure everything works correctly. Go back to your lobby and click on Settings, and then select this little microphone icon right here. This is where you're going to be able to change your microphone settings and voice chat settings in general. As you can see, my voice method is set to mute, which means all audio coming out of my microphone will remain muted unless I change this setting. If you're on push to talk, your microphone audio will only be transmitted when you press a specific button. You can check which button is assigned for push to talk by going into keyboard controls if you're on PC, or controller mappings if you're on PlayStation or Xbox. If you select open mic, your microphone will be on at all times, so be mindful of this setting. Personally, I always use push to talk and recommend it to everyone. Lastly, there's also the voice chat privacy setting, and you can set it to either off, which disables voice chat completely, or you can set it to friends, which means only your friends can hear you. You also have friends and teammates, or you can set it to everybody, which means all players can hear you. I hope you guys found this video helpful and that it helped you fix your voice chat issues in Fortnite. If it did, I'd really appreciate a like on the video and a subscribe for more useful content. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.